morning, folks. It's been about 5 days since I've done a video, so we have to do a video. Now, last night I recorded a song on my 8-track instead of 4-track there, because I only use 4 tracks. I was mucking about with my electric guitar, and I just came up with this chord. It's a B minor chord, but I've just taken this finger off here, and you can kind of wabble it about. Subtle difference. And then I just was mucking about moving my fingers around, and I came up with just a very simple sort of descending sequence. So it's a B minor and then an A, just played like that. And you can move your pinky onto the bottom string to get this a 9th kind of sound, and then we went down to the G, same thing, and then you can hear it's needing to resolve. So it's a B minor, then we go to a D, just to resolve the whole thing off. It just sounds so nice coming off that. So on the electric guitar, I was mucking about with it, and as usual, I couldn't help myself. It was a nice jingle jangly sound, and then I had to put in this sort of heavy bit in the middle. Just it only lasts a few seconds, but so that's a D as well. That's a sort of D suspended 4th. See all these chord names, man. Honestly, I just call them sort of like Phoebe does in Friends. She calls it the claw and the raven or whatever, I can't remember, but that's how I remember some chords. You just you give them different names and things, you know. So, what's the thing? Yeah. So anyway, that was the descending sequence, just a B minor, an A, and a G, and then resolving with a D. So this is what it sounded like when I went onto the my 8-track. Now I only used 4 tracks on this because it could have had more, but if I was in a proper studio, man, I would have had more big orchestral drums in the middle. So this is how it sounds. Can you still see me? Yes, you can, right? So there's the jangly guitar. Also had, just in the very background there, you can hear the Angel Choir, it was called, just the keyboard. Then a bit of solo guitar work here. Down, down. So the next time I do that, it gets all sort of so you can imagine Bro using this in one of his wave videos as the waves crash in, you know, and then something dramatic happens, and we have this. We go down, yeah, the waves are rushing in, smashing against the wall, flying over, boom, Bro's soaking wet. But he's still got the camera there holding up against the tidal waves of Neptune smashing against him. And he stands firm and the waves rush in, and then it subsides a little bit and it goes back to, oh, the waves have gone away again. And Bro's standing there soaking wet, but he's got the film he wanted. He wanted that tidal smashing and coming over in slow motion. He's got it. So Bro, you've got to use that. It'll be on SoundCloud. I might just do it now actually. I can't be bothered, I'll do it at 5 o'clock when I come in. And then it goes, the tide washes away, and Bro's left standing there as a lone seagull flies overhead and shits on his head. Right, thanks folks. I don't want to be sick. Whoa. Right guys, here we go. Now this is how to sound like Keith Richards, man, yes, with a simple, just a simple strumming sort of thing, moving your fingers. It sounds good in the B chord, right? Or an A, so we'll just use the B. So you're strumming it, giving it this, thinking, oh, well, how can I make this a little bit more interesting without moving my fingers? So what you do is you get your lazy finger and your pinky and you bring them down to here. Can you see that? That's where it's gone, man. Look, see down to there. And then what you do is just bring the pinky underneath. And as soon as you start playing it, you can't help but get into that groove. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So there you go, folks. Such a simple sound like Keith. What Keith does is he takes this string off, he takes the E string off and then detunes his other strings to a strange sort of tuning. But if you don't want to start mucking about and doing that with your guitar, then just to do that, just play it for days, just sitting there doing this. So anyway, that's on the acoustic, but it sounds a lot better on the electric, obviously. So, thank you very much, folks.